One comment from anybody about the Gambian team, and when I hear this, I'm always proud and happy. So I'm happy that all of you came today to visit your home. That's your home. So it's all Gambian home. And we wish you all the best in the coming competitions, inshallah.
Thank you so much for having us. We want to send our gratitude and appreciation to the Consulate of the Gambia for the warm welcome and also for providing all the necessary logistics that we need here in Egypt. We are very grateful and we want to thank him and extend our regards from the President of the Gambia Federation to him. Thank you so much.
I'm, like I said, the technical director of the Gambia Volleyball Federation. We are very much happy, and really, I wish we have the right word to say thank you to the councillor and the staffs of the embassy for the support, and welcoming us to this to his office within a short period. Really, we are more than what happy, and also we want to say a very big thank you